Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. The State Capitol area in Baton Rouge is the heart of Louisiana's government and a hub of history and architecture. The Louisiana State Capitol building dominates the skyline. Completed in 1932, it is the tallest capitol in the United States. The building is designed in an Art Deco style, with clean lines and a towering presence that stands out over downtown. Surrounding the Capitol, you'll find beautiful gardens, monuments, and public spaces that honor the state's history. The area includes several government offices, courts, and museums. Driving through, you can see wide boulevards, tree-lined streets, and historic buildings dating back to the early 20th century. Capitol Gardens surround the Louisiana State Capitol building with manicured lawns, fountains, and flower beds. Monuments and statues throughout the gardens honor historical figures and moments in Louisiana's history. The Governor's Mansion is the official residence of Louisiana's governor. The mansion blends modern and classical architecture and is surrounded by landscaped gardens and walking paths. Veterans Memorial Park honors Louisiana's military men and women. The park features monuments, plaques, and sculptures dedicated to those who served in all branches of the armed forces. The area has witnessed many important events, including political rallies, speeches, and civil rights demonstrations. Nearby, the old state capitol stands as a Gothic revival contrast. Built in the year 1852, it served as the State House for nearly 80 years before the new capitol was constructed. Today, it operates as a museum and cultural site, offering exhibits on Louisiana's political history. The Capitol area combines both modern government and historical charm. Visitors can explore memorials, plaques, and public art that highlight significant figures and moments in the state's past. Parks and walking paths provide green spaces for residents and tourists. Driving around this area gives a sense of Louisiana's political life, architectural evolution, and dedication to preserving history while serving modern government functions. Baton Rouge itself is one of the oldest cities on the Mississippi River, with roots reaching back to the early 18th century. Its name comes from a red marker pole used by indigenous tribes to mark territorial boundaries, a reminder that this land held meaning long before European settlement. Over time, Baton Rouge passed through French, British, Spanish, and American control, each leaving an imprint on the city's culture and governance. Its position on a bluff above the Mississippi made it strategically valuable, especially during conflicts like the Civil War, when control of the river meant control of trade and movement. Baton Rouge became the permanent state capital in the mid-19th century, cementing its political role in Louisiana. In the 20th century, the city expanded rapidly with the rise of the petrochemical industry, transforming Baton Rouge into a major industrial and economic center. Today, Baton Rouge blends government, industry, higher education, and culture. As we move through the city, you're seeing layers of history shaped by the river, resilience, and constant adaptation, factors that continue to define Baton Rouge's identity.